Hello friends, Sisda Head here. Today let us learn about kinetic energy and its formula derivation. Let us start with an example. A car was moving and stops. It had lost its fuel, means loss of energy. So we can also say that when an object loses energy during motion is called kinetic energy. I think you understood. Now let us move to the derivation of the formula. It has an initial and final velocity. We can say that work is equal to F into S, and work is equal to kinetic energy, because if no energy we can't do work. So if kinetic energy is there we can do work, so work is equal to kinetic energy, and we can say that kinetic energy is equal to F into S. Here we will use the formula V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Here the initial velocity is small v and the final velocity is big V, and we can say that acceleration is negative because the car has stopped and it's negative. We can say that V square is equal to V square minus 2AS. Here the final velocity is 0, so we can finally say that 0 square is 0, so we can finally get a formula 2AS is equal to V square. And here if A can be derived, A is equal to F divided by M, because force is equal to mass into acceleration. So if we change it little bit, we can get A is equal to F divided by M. So finally we get a formula 2F divided by M into S is equal to V square. And if we take M to the right hand side, we finally get 2Fs is equal to mv square. If we take 2 in the right hand side, we can get half mv square. Here we can say that Fs is equal to work, and we have proved that work is equal to kinetic energy. So we can write that kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. I hope you understood from this video. Thank you.